In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a voiceover to a video using Canva in 2025. If you're a beginner looking to enhance your video projects with a professional sounding voiceover, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to effectively integrate audio into your videos seamlessly. Let's start by navigating over to Canva and opening up your design project. Once you have your project open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a variety of options. The first step here is to click on Uploads. This is where you'll be able to bring your own files into the program, paving the way for total customization of your project. After the upload section is open, go ahead and click on Upload Files. This action will prompt a window that allows you to browse through your computer's files. Here, select the audio file you want to use as your voiceover in the video. It's crucial to ensure that the file is supported by Canva, which means commonly used formats like MP3 will work perfectly. Now with your audio file uploaded, look for the audio option. This too will be on the left-hand menu panel. Click on it to access all audio files you've uploaded. Your newly uploaded voiceover file should appear here. This well-organized section helps you keep track of all your audio resources with ease. In this library you can preview each file just by clicking on it, a handy feature to confirm you're selecting the right file. Now that you have confirmed your selection, it's time to incorporate the voiceover into your video. Simply drag the audio file and drop it onto your project's timeline. This action will align the audio with your video content automatically. This process is quite intuitive, and you'll see the audio layer neatly aligned under the video timeline, which is crucial for synchronization. Once the audio is in place, take the time to review the alignment. Sometimes slight adjustments might be necessary to ensure the voiceover starts at just the right moment. Canva makes it easy to drag the audio timeline to make these fine adjustments. You just click and drag. Doing a quick playthrough of the video at this stage will ensure that the audio and visual components are perfectly in sync. And there you have it. Just like that, you've added a polished voiceover to your video in Canva. With this skill under your belt, your projects can take on a new level of professionalism and creativity. As you become more comfortable with the process, don't hesitate to experiment with different types of audio to see how it can transform your video. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was both helpful and inspiring. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on taking your Canva projects to the next level.